The automotive industry has just been hit with a wake-up call. After months of speculation and anticipation, the biggest secret inside Giga Texas has finally been revealed. Tesla Giga Press 4.0 is here. This is not just another upgrade. It is a 4x leap in manufacturing performance, a mechanical monster designed to shatter the traditional assembly methods that have defined the auto industry since the days of Henry Ford more than a century ago. Just how insane is Giga Press 4.0? Take a look at what is happening inside Tesla's highly restricted production zone. The first insane element of this 4x upgrade lies in its cycle speed and structural integration. In older mega-casting generations ranging from 6,000 to 9,000 tons, Tesla made waves by consolidating 70 stamped steel components into a single rear underbody casting for the Model Y, eliminating 370 weld points. With Gigapress 4.0, Tesla pushes this boundary into unprecedented territory, casting complex, hollow box structural sections of the entire underbody in a single cycle, lasting just 80 to 90 seconds. By integrating 3D printed sand core technology with AI-driven algorithms that govern alloy fluid dynamics at injection velocities up to 10 meters per second, the mold filling and vacuum evacuation steps are accelerated fourfold. The numbers speak for themselves. Instead of a traditional body shop requiring over 300 welding robots and thousands of complex welds operating over several hours, Gigapress 4.0 establishes a devastating rhythm, pumping out nearly 1,000 completed casting modules every single day. This extreme consolidation drives a 400% surge in output per square meter of factory floor, permanently shattering the biggest bottleneck in mass vehicle production. The second radical dimension of this upgrade is how Gigapress 4.0 serves as the spine for the Unboxed process, Tesla's ultimate weapon for realizing the $30,000 Model 2 and Cybercab with a 500-kilometer range. Traditional assembly forces a hollow steel skeleton down a rigid linear conveyor line, requiring workers to squeeze into tight spaces to install components. Gigapress 4.0 demolishes this layout by enabling the vehicle to be split into 6 independent modules built simultaneously. The monolithic underbody cast instantly receives the structural battery pack and entire seat assembly via automated robotics with zero spatial constraints. Financial and operational data confirm the combination of Gigapress 4.0 and the Unboxed process yields staggering metrics. A 50% reduction in direct manufacturing costs, a 40% reduction in factory footprint, a 25% acceleration in assembly speed, and a 40% reduction in manual labor. The critical factor rendering this 4x upgrade an insurmountable barrier for legacy automakers is the proprietary materials science ecosystem. Many traditional brands mistakenly believe that buying an equivalent heavy press from suppliers like LK Machinery or Hydra is enough to copy Tesla. However, they are completely powerless without Tesla's proprietary aluminum alloy formula. This unique material survives extreme thermal violence, transitioning directly from a molten 850 degrees Celsius state down to a 400 degrees Celsius extraction temperature, before being instantly quenched with cold water down to 50 degrees Celsius without any microstructural cracking or warping. Furthermore, to govern this rapid pace, Tesla deploys an automated AI X-ray inspection system that executes 28 high-resolution scans in just 84 seconds. Computer vision algorithms analyze geometric tolerances in under 1 second, ensuring an almost 0% defect rate, a baseline no other automaker on the planet can match. Ultimately, the revelation of Tesla's Gigapress 4.0 is a defiant declaration. By weaponizing a 4x upgrade across cycle speed, footprint, cost, and structural optimization, Tesla is no longer playing the same game as the rest of the world. They have established an entirely new manufacturing paradigm, forcing the global automotive industry to completely reinvent its engineering philosophy or face being crushed in the race for the future. What if Tesla could make every Gigapress produce up to 250 additional castings every day without building a single new factory? That possibility may be hiding inside Tesla's latest patent. The company has unveiled a new 3D printable steel alloy system specifically designed for Gigapress tooling, and the numbers are extraordinary. Tesla-based engineers are targeting a material capable of maintaining approximately 950 MPa of yield strength at temperatures reaching 450 degrees Celsius while resisting the thermal fatigue that normally destroys conventional casting tools. For the die casting industry, this addresses one of the biggest manufacturing bottlenecks. Traditional tool steels force engineers to choose between hardness and toughness. Materials that are extremely hard often become brittle and crack under repeated heating and cooling cycles. Tougher materials survive thermal shock better but gradually soften and deform under extreme temperatures. Tesla's latest patent suggests the company may have found a way to achieve both. According to the patent filing, Tesla engineers used advanced computational simulations to model carbide formation and phase transformations before developing a family of steel alloys optimized specifically for additive manufacturing. Instead of simply creating another high-strength steel, Tesla appears to be designing an entire manufacturing ecosystem that combines alloy chemistry, 3D-printed cooling channels, and post-processing heat treatments into a single integrated system. That distinction is important because the biggest limitation inside modern Gigapress operations is often not the machine itself, but how efficiently heat can be removed from the mold. Today, as large casting tools typically rely on straight-drilled cooling channels. While effective for simple geometries, these channels struggle to reach complex regions inside large structural castings. As a result, localized hotspots can form, slowing solidification, increasing thermal stress, and contributing to premature tool wear. Tesla's solution is radically different. By using metal additive manufacturing, engineers can create conformal cooling channels that closely follow the contours of the casting surface. Instead of straight lines, these channels curve through the tool, maintaining a more consistent distance from critical areas where heat accumulates. This allows cooling to occur more uniformly throughout the casting process. The potential impact on production is enormous. Current Gigapress systems used for large vehicle castings typically operate with cycle times of approximately 80 to 90 seconds. These massive machines weigh roughly 410 to 430 tons and generate between 5,600 and 6,200 tons of clamping force while molten aluminum is injected into the mold. At these production volumes, every second matters. Tesla Giga's patent suggests that improved thermal management could reduce cycle times by approximately 10 to 15 seconds. While this remains a theoretical scenario rather than a proven production result, the implications are significant. Such a reduction could increase theoretical output by roughly 12.5% to 23% across a full day of continuous operation. That could translate into an additional 120 to 250 castings from a single Gigapress. For a company focused on manufacturing millions of vehicles annually, gains of that magnitude are difficult to ignore. The material properties themselves are equally impressive. The patent outlines alloy compositions containing between 0.05% and 0.6% carbon and 0.8% to 6% nickel, alongside carefully balanced amounts of chromium, molybdenum, vanadium, tungsten, manganese, copper, and cobalt. These elements are engineered to create a stable microstructure capable of maintaining performance under prolonged thermal stress. Tesla also reports post-treatment hardness targets exceeding 40 HRC, while several alloy variants surpassed 50 HRC. Laboratory testing showed that carburized A6 and B1 alloys maintained hardness above 50 HRC after extended high-temperature aging. Additional alloy variants, including A6, C1, and C3, reportedly remained above 30 HRC after 100 hours at 600 degrees Celsius, outperforming several established commercial tool steels. The company further disclosed Vickers hardness measurements showing more than 300 HV at a depth of 3 mm below the surface after hardening treatments. This is particularly important because it creates a hardened, wear-resistant exterior while preserving toughness deeper inside the tool. Such a combination helps resist both surface degradation and crack propagation, two major causes of tool failure in high-pressure casting environments. Perhaps the most significant aspect of this patent is what it reveals about Tesla and its broader manufacturing strategy. As the company moves toward increasingly large castings and expands its unboxed manufacturing approach, thermal management becomes more important than ever. Larger castings contain more material, retain more heat, and are significantly more difficult to cool uniformly. Any improvement in cooling efficiency can directly influence production speed, dimensional accuracy, and manufacturing costs. This is why the patent extends beyond metallurgy. Tesla is effectively redesigning the tools that build the vehicle. While competitors often focus on improving the casting machine or optimizing production schedules, Tesla appears to be attacking the problem at its source by engineering smarter tooling capable of surviving harsher conditions while extracting heat more efficiently. If the technology performs in full-scale production as expected, the benefits could extend far beyond longer-lasting molds. Faster cycle times, lower maintenance requirements, reduced downtime, improved casting consistency, and higher factory throughput could all contribute to lower manufacturing costs across Tesla's future vehicle programs. The most remarkable part is that this breakthrough is not a new car, battery, or robot. It is a material innovation hidden deep inside the production process. Yet if Tesla succeeds in turning these laboratory results into factory reality, This new generation of 3D printable steel could become one of the most important technologies behind the next era of Gigapress manufacturing. Why is Gigapress 4.0 a supply chain massacre for Ford and GM? The shockwave triggered by Tesla's 55,000-ton Gigapress 4.0 extends far beyond the physical magnitude of the machine itself. Instead, it represents a calculated financial assault on Detroit's traditional balance sheets and logistics networks. While legacy giants like Ford and GM remain trapped within the labyrinth of outdated automotive assembly structures, Tesla has leveraged monolithic casting into an extreme economy of scale, one that is mathematically bankrupting the profit margins of global competitors. From a supply chain standpoint, the Gigapress 4.0 executes a radical purge of the traditional Tier 1 supplier network. A legacy stamped steel underbody requires 70 individual components, creating a toxic dependency on a fragile web of up to 50 separate vendors. This structural fragmentation forces 1.2 tons of high-tariff, processed steel to bottleneck through international ports and vulnerable freight lanes. In stark contrast, Tesla's extreme pressure casting consolidates this entire mess into a single, seamless 0.88-ton aluminum structure, shrinking the supplier core down to just 5 localized partners. This logistical compression slashes internal freight overhead by 25% on day one, locking in an immediate $450 million in annual structural savings. When geopolitical friction or severe weather cripples legacy assembly lines due to missing parts, Giga Texas maintains an unbothered, fully autonomous rhythm. The production economics built into this 4.0 system create a cost structure that legacy financial officers simply cannot match. Traditional multi-layered stamp and weld methods consume an average of $2.50 per pound of underbody material. Tesla's mega casting brute forces this figure down to a rock-bottom 75 cents per pound of structural aluminum, a staggering 70% reduction in raw material expenditure. Furthermore, by utilizing modular mold inserts equipped with 3D printed internal cooling channels, thermal hotspots are reduced by 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This engineering refinement extends the mold lifespan from a standard 50,000 cycles to an incredible 150,000 cycles, while driving tooling costs down from $1.5 million per batch to just $900,000. This precise real-world mathematics provides the unyielding floor that allows Tesla to comfortably price its next-generation mass-market vehicles between $25,000 to $30,000 while capturing a dominant 40% manufacturing margin. Ultimately, the crowning achievement of this economic paradigm is a massive leap in physical vehicle durability that redefines product life cycles. Standard stamped steel chassis inevitably develop microstructural stress fractures after approximately 150,000 miles of operation under standard 5G load constraints. However, finite element analysis on Tesla's proprietary aluminum castings reveals an unyielding structural threshold of 250,000 miles under severe 7G operational loads. This translates to a 66% expansion in total vehicle lifespan, despite enduring a 40% higher stress profile. Real-world fleet telemetry confirms this mechanical immunity, demonstrating an unprecedented 98.7% structural uptime compared to the 92% legacy industry average. The competitive canyon carved out by the Gigapress 4.0 is no longer measured in development months, but in billions of dollars of structural financial insulation. While legacy competitors face a 3 to 5 year developmental delay and hundreds of millions in capital expenditures just to replicate obsolete tech, Tesla is absorbing massive cash flow and reaping hyper-optimized margins today. This isn't merely a step forward in manufacturing sophistication. It is an economic execution of the old guard.